Good morning, everyone. Finally, I can make a short video about my first project about cooking. Unfortunately, I cannot uh, hold my phone and cook on the same time. So I would like to find a way how can I film myself while I'm cooking. But now I'm holding the phone in my hand, so I will like to try to show you something very special. So this is vegetable rice and breaded in dried breadcrumbs. So here we will fry them and we will have a very special and amazing and very tasty uh, fried rice. Yeah. So another thing what I want to show you, this is my Japanese barbecue sauce. uh, uh, with this one I I will prepare the barbecue, the chicken breast barbecue, which is exactly here. I put it to marinate it, yeah. So I will leave it there like 1-2 hours. It is already there from 1 or 2 hours already. So till I finish here, and I will start to grill them, then it will be around like 2-3 hours marinated, which is very good already. So what I would like to show you is how it is to make, how tasty will be my fried rice. I have some vegetables inside as well. Let me turn them. On the same time I need to hold my phone because I want to record it, but I try to do my best so you guys can see all the details. Basically the rice was cooked, first was cooked, after that, and of course it was mixed with vegetables, smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, oops, things like this, yeah. Unfortunately this one is a little bit damaged, but no problem, will be fine. So this is my rice here. I will leave them more. So as you guys can see, it's breaded, yeah, and it's fried. Another thing what I will prepare today, it will be the chicken breast, and I will have cabbage. The cabbage will be prepared with so basically I will cut the cabbage. I will try to show you guys. I hope I will have enough I don't know how to explain myself. I hope I will have enough time on my phone to recording, because if I stop the recording and you guys would like to see all the process, because I do it alone on by myself, the video I recorded by myself, I cannot work on the same time and cook on the same time, you understand me? But at the moment this is what I would like to show you. So in the next video I will show you how I will prepare the chicken breast and how I will prepare the cabbage as well. So in my kitchen I have all prepared. This one I have of course I have my new pan, so everything is amazing now, yeah. Look at this. This will be, in this one I will prepare the cabbage, one of the favorite food, because it is really nice. The cabbage will be prepared very easy, but in a different way, because probably you guys don't know exactly what kind of cabbage I will prepare, but I will show you, so you will see soon. This is my first video, part 1. Let's name it part 1. And so basically this is the fried rice, yeah, all prepared, pre-prepared, ready to fry. And here we fry it very, very nicely. Let me zoom it a little bit, you see. So yes, this is the kitchen where I work at the moment. This is where I work. Everything is nice, beautiful, all prepared. So this is the box where I will put them. Basically you have to put this paper, not paper, towel paper, so when you take the rice out, the towel paper will absorb the oil, so you will have a crunchy, nice rice. Okay, so guys, please give me a like, share, and one comment if you like it. And if you want to know exactly how I prepare it, it is very easy, very simple. Basically you have to prepare the rice. You will mix it with, before, if you want to put some vegetable as I did, you have to fry a little bit the vegetables. After that you mix them, cut them small pieces. You mix them, you put 2 eggs or 3 eggs, it depends how big is the quantity. And another thing, you will mix with like I said, as I said, you will mix it with eggs, and you will mix it with bread, crumbled bread. After that you will make the balls, if you want balls, or if you want these shapes, and you will put them in the crumbled bread. And after that you will fry it. So this is the part 1. See you soon in part 2. Thank you so much for watching, and please give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me show you exactly how will be the lunch for today. Thank you so much, and God bless you, all of you. Thank you. Have a good day.